So the current crypto market cap, the total market cap is a little bit over $1 trillion. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about why the next bull run will make a lot of people filthy rich. So if you like videos like this where I'm ranting about the entire cryptocurrency space, make sure that you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and keep your favorite crypto and door-to-door entrepreneur inside the algorithms. Consider joining the Patreon where I'm always dropping my super DJ plays, low cap, that I don't normally talk about on the channel, things that I'm looking to get in before they actually become popular. And also, if you just want a free Discord, join a free Discord and chat cryptocurrency. Be sure to let me know that you just jumped into Discord by dropping your favorite low cap crypto gem. All right, so engage the video, leave a comment, let me know what you're doing as far as strategies. Now let's get into this video, all right, because a lot of people do not understand that we are on the cusp of the greatest generational transfer of wealth. Now I'm saying that to say this, family, we got a lot of positive developments going inside the cryptocurrency space. The first positive development I want to talk about is tokenization, RWAs. I call it the Larry Fink effect. Larry Fink himself came out and say that a lot of the traditional asset stock market will be on the blockchain. We're already starting to see the Citibanks, the JP Morgans doing a lot of blockchain work, family. Now, why is this important? I want to point out the fact that it's why this is important, and then we'll talk about the charts a little bit later in the video, so make sure that you stick to the end. Well, if you don't know, you can just type in Gary Gensler right now. The um, bozo himself. I call him Dr. Burns, Mr. Burns, Mr. Burns off the Simpsons. He really looks like him. But you could type in Gary Gensler right now, and he's literally getting cooked by 75% of Congress. Literally cooked alive. And these are people in the Congress that are supporting Bitcoin, supporting cryptocurrency, supporting the technology. Now, I know cryptocurrency is a world asset, and I'm pretty sure in your country right now, there's all type of talk about regulation and if people should truly adopt cryptocurrency. But where I'm at right now, it's been seeming like the states have, one and the current staff, as far as the government, have wanted to stifle cryptocurrency technology, but adoption, stifle cryptocurrency adoption through regulation on the technology. But we've been seeing as of late that we've been getting a lot of support here from the Congress, right? Support that maybe we should start easing up and, moving on to this new technology and a new financial system, family. So when you start to see this, even though it doesn't it doesn't transcend to the price action, right? But when you start to see these type of developments where, especially in the states, with the Congress, the government, and frankly all across the US, you're starting to see more crypto adoption, right? A lot of people becoming more lenient. You're starting to see more countries having lenient laws. Look at where China went from cryptocurrency a few years ago to now. Japan. These are some of the strictest countries in the world that's now starting to become a bit more crypto friendly. So the next 3 to 6 months, as we get closer to the Bitcoin halving cycle, I think this is the most important time we need to focus on as far as gaining the liquidity to build out our portfolios. I know I've been driving this home, family, but this is important because I feel like there will be a lot of people that become filthy rich. The question is, are you going to get your piece of the pie? Let me know if you're going to get your piece of the pie. Now, before we actually get into the weekly charts and what I'm seeing on the week and why we could possibly get a pump to maybe 30K before we take our next leg down, I want to point out a few bullish points of interest that I've been seeing as of late in the cryptocurrency space. We just talked about this: crypto Congress fighting for crypto tech. Now, this is huge because in the past we didn't see this, right? Congress fighting for crypto tech. The potential Bitcoin and ETH ETF. All right. Now, today, I believe BlackRock's ETF got delayed again, but I just think that's all allegedly manipulation and giving BlackRock an opportunity to fill their bags. And just frankly, Gary Gensler himself, he doesn't want to feel like he's being pinned against the wall. So he's going to do what he wants to do because he wants to still feel like he's in control. But at the end of the day, BlackRock has him in his pocket allegedly, and I feel like this is just another ploy for these entities to fill up their bags. And you need to be doing the same because the point of crypto is that it's P2P, and we need to front run these entities before they enter their space. Like and subscribe if you're getting some value on here. Let me know your points of interest in the fund, the bullish points of interest that you are currently seeing in cryptocurrency. Also, crypto adoption rising. I want to go back to this chart here because this shows the share of respondents who indicated they either owned or used cryptocurrencies in countries and territories worldwide from 2019. Now, you may not think that these numbers are high, but just look at the previous years. Look at 2019 for something like Nigeria, Turkey, and even the UAE. The UAE went from 10% in 2020 to now 31% of people saying, hey, we either bought cryptocurrency or at some point interacted with the space. We're seeing a rise from 2019 to 2023. Now, of course, 2022 was the peak and pinnacle of the bull run, so I don't expect these numbers to be too much better, but you can see in some countries, the numbers are still rising. So that's what you want to see, especially it rising in a bear market, right? We're so-called been in the longest bear market, the worst bear market, the black swan of black swans, yet you're seeing crypto adoption in these countries consistently rise. I'm just saying, family. I'm just saying. I think a lot of people are sleeping on the Elon Musk crypto payment integration, right? Because we're talking about literally the richest man in the world, and people are just going to follow him just because he is the richest man in the world. So with Elon Musk influence and the Larry Fink effect, those are two of some of the biggest catalysts that nobody is talking about. Nobody's seeing how huge the fact that Larry Fink and Elon Musk together right now are bullish on crypto. And what Elon Musk just showed us today that he could be implementing live streaming on X. Everything that he said he's going to do, he's literally been doing, and I expect crypto payment integration soon. And of course, normalizing inflation. The fact that people are starting to get used to inflations. People are starting to pretty much submit to inflation. Like, okay, it is what it is. If this is how we live in, this is how we live in, which I think is bullish because now people will be looking for a pivot from this traditional financial system and looking to find those ways to make passive income. Crypto offers a lot of opportunities of passive income through staking, liquid staking, and just so many different opportunities, mining. So you'll have that chance to use these projects as a hedge to the normalization of inflation, right? And of course, AI, right? AI. What can I say about AI? Well, the AI champ himself, Mark Zuckerberg, is rolling out his AI meta glasses, right? So you'll be able to utilize technology, right? Machine learning technology um, through these glasses. He's rolling out literally AI glasses, and we know that AI is going to be one of the hottest narratives in crypto. And if you can't see the correlation between AI, crypto, and some of these data protocols like Jasmy, I don't know what to tell you because literally, in order for AI to learn, in order for AI to grow, in order for AI to progress, it needs data, right? The best way to monetize, secure, or have transparency on your data is through blockchain technology. You see how that's all adding up. So again, those are my points of interest. Y'all let me know what y'all think about that. On the weekly, the DXY on the weekly looks like it's ready to calm down. Now, we just talked about the charts on the monthly, right? I'm gonna make this very, very quick because I want to close out this video. The weekly starting to top out in those overbought levels here on the DXY, which tells me even though we're putting a higher high, we can easily drop back down and put in a lower low, and then really take away all of these gains from the DXY if crypto becomes bullish short term. So even though we've seen those signs on the monthly, things can happen real quick on a weekly, and then a lot of those candles that we talked about, because we're like 2 days away from closing out the month. Maybe we get some type of huge push. We see Bitcoin rallying. That could really change um, the aspect of what we're seeing on the monthly charts. But for now, we are looking like to be set up to have a pretty nice week next week. All right, you can see here that the tether dominance is looking like it's tapped out on the weekly now, ready to go back down. Double top action right there. You can go down here and see that Bitcoin is holding the nucleus here of the Gaussian channel, and the stock RSI has reset on the weekly, looking to move up. So exactly, we can easily get a move here to this resistance around 30k, 32k. Get a lot of people bullish and then dump down and to the bottom here of this Gaussian channel, which, because we're in a quicksand, I think that is a possibility. Plus, all the technicals I'm seeing on the month shows me that we could possibly get some pain in the way. But next week seems like it's setting up to be a pretty bullish week. You can see here the Bitcoin dominance looks like it's ready to roll up again, reset, and looks like to get the confirmation 22 here from the stock RSI. Also, the ETH charts look like they are ready to curl back up. Stock RSI looks like it's ready to curl back up. We could hang out here and dump even more, but again, I'm seeing a little bit of things on the weekly that tell me we could have a nice little week. Maybe Bitcoin goes to 27, 28k before we continue to dump. The ETH Bitcoin pair is still not looking good, still peak bearish. So that's one thing that's still peak bearish. So these are the weekly charts, and the weekly charts for the total altcoin market here look like they also want to get bullish, putting in a double bottom. So maybe the total altcoin market, or the total crypto market here, excuse me, total altcoin crypto market excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum here, maybe pumps to this 200-day moving average. That is a possibility short term, but long term, 3 to 6 months, I think we get some more pain. Maybe Bitcoin goes to around 20k, nothing less than 20k. The stock market looks like it's ready to capitulate on the week, and it's in bear zone as stocks are dumping out, family. So, mixed signals on the weekly and the month. I know that can be confusing, because he's like, Millie, you just said on the monthly we were bearish. Well, the weekly chose totally different things from the monthly. I think short term weekly, we get a nice little rally until we see our next leg down. That's what crypto does. It goes up, down, up, down. So just because we get a bullish week doesn't mean we're going to have a bullish month. Y'all let me know what y'all think about the points of interest here, man. It's your boy Crypto Millie. Leave a comment.